Consider the one more problem. Apply the divergence theorem to evaluate integration over s f dot n into ds, where f is equal to x cube I plus y cube j plus z cube k, and s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. We have Gauss divergence theorem. Double integration over the surface S f dot n cap into ds is equal to triple integration over the volume V divergence of f into dv. Here given that vector f is x cube I plus y cube j plus z cube k. Now consider the here RHS of equation 1. Triple integration over the volume V divergence of f into dv is equal to triple integration over the V divergence, this is denoted by del dot f into dv, that is triple integration over V. The del can be defined as I into dou upon dou x plus j into dou upon dou y plus k into dou upon dou z dot your vector f is x cube I plus y cube j plus z cube k into dv, that is triple integration over V. Here I dot I, its value is that 1. Therefore, dou by dou x into x cube. I dot j is 0 and I dot k is also 0. Plus, next j dot I is 0. J dot j is 1. That is dou by dou y into y cube. Plus, next k dot I is 0. K dot j is 0. K dot k, its value is that 1. Therefore, dou by dou z into z cube into dv, which is equal to triple integration over V differentiation of x cube with respect to x is 3x square plus now differentiate y cube with respect to y, which is 3y square. Differentiation of z cube with respect to z is 3z square, and dv is denoted by dx, dy, dz. Now in this all 3 is common term. 3 into triple integration over V x square plus y square plus z square into dx, dy, dz. To evaluate this integral, now here we have to change polar spherical coordinates. Substitute here x equal to r sin theta into cos phi, y equal to r sin theta into sin phi, z equal to r cos theta, and dx, dy, dz can be defined as r square sin theta dr d theta into d phi. Also, volume of the sphere is 8 times the volume of its portion in the positive octant, for which r varies from 0 to a. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Phi varies from 0 to pi by 2. Considering the here sphere in 3-dimensional space, here consider the positive quadrant. In this here that sphere is 8 times volume of its positive quadrant. Here r varies from 0 to a, and theta varies from, in this line theta is 0, 0 to pi by 2, and also pi varies from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, the double integration over s f dot n cap into ds. That is triple integration over v divergence of f into dv. This is the Gauss divergence theorem. Here we have divergence of f is 3x square plus y square plus z square into dx dy dz. Now this is 3 into its volume is 8 times. Therefore 8 into integration over phi equal to 0 to pi by 2. Theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 and r varies from 0 to a. Substitute here x equal to r sin theta into cos phi and y is that r sin theta sin phi, that is r square sin square theta sin square phi plus z is r cos theta, therefore r square cos square theta into dx dy dz is r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. That is 24. Now integrate, here this is 24 into integration over the limits 0 to pi by 2, theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, r is 0 to a. Now in this, these two, sin square theta is common term, r square into sin square theta is common into cos square phi plus sin square phi plus r square into cos square theta into r square sin theta dr d phi d theta. That is 24 into integration over the limits 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, r equal to 0 to a. Now here in this all, here r square is common term. Cos square phi plus sin square phi, its value is that 1. Here r square is common. R square into sin square theta plus cos square theta into r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is that 1. Therefore 24 into triple integration over the limits r square into r square is r to the power 4 sin theta into dr d theta d phi. Now integrate this with respect to r, keeping theta and phi as constant. Your integration of r raised to 4 is that r to the power 5 divided by 5 between the limits 0 to a sin theta into d theta d phi. Now substitute the limits. By substituting upper limit a raised to 5, by substituting lower limit that value become 0. Now integrate with respect to theta, keeping phi as constant. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta between the limits 0 to pi by 2 into d phi. Now substitute the limits. Substitute here theta equal to pi by 2. Value of cos pi by 2 is 0. Minus, to substitute the lower limit, that minus plus. Then here put theta equal to 0, cos 0 value is 1 into d phi. Therefore this is 1. Now integrate with respect to phi. Here this is constant, then integration of constant is that phi between the limits 0 to pi by 2. That is 24 a raised to phi divided by 5. Substitute upper limit phi equal to pi by 2. Then lower limit is 0. Therefore here these terms get cancels. That is 12 pi into a raised to 5 divided by 2. Therefore your double integration over the surface S f dot n cap into ds equal to here 12 phi a raised to 5 divided by 5. That is integration over S f dot n into ds. Its value is that 12 pi a raised to 5 divided by 5.